1. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, born on May 9, 1866, was a prominent Indian leader during the pre-independence era, and a key figure in the Indian National Congress. 2. Gokhale was a staunch advocate for social and political reforms, working towards the upliftment of the masses. 3. He believed in the principles of constitutionalism, advocating for gradual and non-violent changes within the existing framework of British rule. 4. Gokhale was a vocal supporter of education, and played a crucial role in establishing the Servants of India Society to promote social and economic development. 5. Known for his diplomatic skills, Gopal Krishna Gokhale engaged in dialogue with the British authorities to address Indian grievances. 6. He served as the President of the Indian National Congress in 1905, working towards greater representation for Indians in the British-administered government. 7. Gokhale was a mentor to leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, sharing his wisdom and guidance in the pursuit of India's freedom. 8. His famous saying, "What Bengal thinks today, India thinks tomorrow," reflects his foresight in understanding regional sentiments. 9. Gopal Krishna Gokhale passed away on February 19, 1915, leaving behind a legacy of statesmanship and dedication to social reform. 10. His contributions to the early phase of the Indian independence movement and his commitment to education continue to be remembered and celebrated.